my friend, are you tired of those crazy electricity bills? Do you want to build a house with total electricity free within 1 day? Let's realize it by our 20-feet expandable container house. Now, you might be wondering, is it comfortable to live in? Let's take a look together. The right side, we can have a comfy and roomy bedroom or living area. We can have a big window to get enough sunlight. The bathroom is designed with a dry-wide separation for easy clean and convenience. The left side can be customized as a living area, kitchen, dining, or even a workspace, whatever fits your need. On the roof, we have installed double-sided solar panel with double glass. They turn sunlight into electricity efficiently and it will store the extra energy for the later use. This house generates its own power. No need to connect to the grid. It fully covers your daily needs. The system supports both 380 volts and 220 volt power modes. 380 volts is great for industrial or commercial use, while 220 volts is perfect for home use and even charging electrical vehicles. You can monitor power generation and earnings in real time via your phone or computer. Don't hesitate to contact us. Customize your new home.